Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Time has arrived. It's time to break out this smart vacuum cleaner that'll run around the floor. One of them Amazon Prime Day deals where they say the price was $6.95 and it's priced at $198 for the next 3 hours, and get all excited because you wanted one. You don't even pay attention that it's a no-name brand. You buy the thing because it says it does smart mopping and all this stuff, and then you find out 3 days later that there's 42 different models just like this, $220. So you got a little bit of a sale, but not what they cracked it up to be. Anyway, our floor is mostly clear now, so we're going to fire this thing up and let it pick up the fine dust. They say it's quiet. It won't walk downstairs. It charges itself, does zigzag. Man, it can climb. They made it look like it's a 6-inch climb. It's a 1/2-inch climb height. Anyway, let's crack this open and see if we can get it to work. This is the model number. It's supposed to be able to be operated by your smartphone, or at least your smartphone will get notifications of what it's doing. Came with a couple of manuals, a common fault problem manual, and this thick old manual. Man, looks like a lot to read. I guess I should read that before we get started. And then the product usage manual. So I don't know what's different between the usage and the instruction. So here it is unboxed, and let me tell you something. It feels nice and strong, like it's a good quality machine. Not sure what that is, but that'll probably take you to the App Store. There. Charging station. Seems like it's kind of lightweight. You might have to stick this to the floor because this feels like it'll get pushed around. Has these corner brushes, a cleaning brush, power cord for the charging station, a remote, and it comes with batteries. So let me go ahead and read the manual and tell you how this thing works. I'm not sure what these little chiclets are. I'm sure we'll find out later. So this is like a quick setup guide. Walk you through setting this thing up and using it. Teaches you how to download the app and get it started. Set timers and stuff like that. I imagine this has more details, so let me check this out as well. Going through the instructions, these are water tank filters, so you get 4 of them in the box. After reading the instruction manual, it's not that complicated. The main thing you need to know how to do is set it up on the Wi-Fi, and you can monitor it, control it by the app. You can also do it manually with this remote control, so you don't have to open the App Store and use it with the App Store. But you do want to plug it in and make sure it has ample space around the charging base. They say like a foot on each side, preferably a 1.5 feet, and 5 feet in front of it. So you want a clear space. I'm gonna try to set it up under the bed. I don't know if that's a good spot, but we don't have anything that drapes down to the floor from the bed. So we'll see if this thing will set up under the bed. So the next thing I need to do, they say pull off the pad that does the mopping and take this off and fill it up with water and stuff. They also want you to remove these that controls the bumpers. Go ahead and plug up the charging station. Put it on the charger for 5 hours. I'm getting it ready to use for the first time. Set these corner brushes on. L goes with L. R goes with R. Make sure everything's clear. This is the hole that vacuum happens. So vacuum's up in that hole, and we should be ready to go. They recommend removing the water tank and filling it up with water, but I'm not planning on mopping. I'm just going to use it for a vacuum for now. So let me find a place for the charging station and put it on there for 5 hours to charge. This is where we're going to try for now. It has about 6 inches on this side. It's 1.5 feet on that side, and it's 5 foot in the rear. We're going to try it there. It is charging, and we're going to power it up when we wake up in the morning. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY or RobertDIY1. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. I even pay people personal visits to help them with big projects around their vehicle or home. If you have questions or comments about the subject that we just covered, please make a comment below. I really appreciate your help. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.